subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. LG has launched a new OLED television in the Indian market, LG OLED 48CX TV. With this new product, the company is focusing towards gaming enthusiasts and people who want immersive cinema experience. At 48 inches, it is the smallest television to come with an OLED display panel. LG claims that the TV will produce sharper images than the larger TVs. As for the pricing, the LG OLED 48CX is priced at Rs 199,990 $2,739 in India. The device is powered by NVIDIA GSYNC, which enables high responsive gaming with no lags and stuttering. The HGIG profile made using self-lit pixels helps give users the best possible experience for HDR gaming. Under the hood, it is powered by the Alpha 9 Gen 3 processor and comes with AI acoustic tuning with support for all the latest gaming enhancement features such as the higher frame rate, variable refresh rate, VRR, auto low latency mode, LLM, and enhanced audio return channel, EARC. The TV also comes with a HDMI 2.1 connectivity. It will feature a sports alert feature that will give real-time alerts to users on their favorite sports news and game updates. As per the company, apart from the rich color and contrast, the display will also offer a superior view from wide viewing angles. It offers a fast response time at 1 ms and zero interference. There is a new filmmaker mode that automatically adjusts the TV's settings to show a certain movie in the way the filmmaker intended it to be seen. The LG OLED 48CX TV supports Dolby Vision IQ and Atmos to enhance the overall experience by optimizing the content. It also comes with support for Google Assistant, Alexa, Apple AirPlay 2, and HomeKit. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.